Okay, go.
Okay, well, here we are at Spouting Horn, and they're not supposed to be down there because there's a sign over there that says "Do not enter." So shame on them. But this is Spouting Horn. Pretty fancy. This is the beach, and yeah, it kind of just shoots out as a geyser thing like itself. It's not that big today.
I haven't been able to get it yet.
Oh, okay. Well.
Come on.
Just gonna tell you that it's not that big today because I don't know. It's been raining all day today, but normally it's kind of like, especially when there's no clouds.
It's kind of like a geyser.
Yeah,
like a geyser.
like a geyser. Exactly, like a geyser. So yeah, all those annoying tourists. Hey.
We gotta get it. Go off. Let it go off.
We can watch the waves crash onto the rocks. Just like a minute ago, there were these like kids over there, and one of the kids stumbled over, and I was like, they're gonna fall in the water. They're gonna fall in the water. They didn't, though. They won't.
Oh, there it was a little bit.
Super bunch. Here, let's walk over here.
What's over here, Laura?
You can see better from over here.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, there's a lot of people out there that are not supposed to be out there.
You should tell them.
Yeah, nobody's gonna listen to me because they're like, hey, I'm a tourist, I want to get a picture down here.
You should get a badge.
Yeah.
I'm the Hawaiian police.
What is it? Spouting Horn police?
Yeah.
Yeah, that'll work.
It's illegal to play down there.
You should stop disrespecting
Our homeland.
I know.
Our homeland, because all the Americans were obviously
postcard photo opportunities.
Yeah.
So all you annoying people out there.
I'm glad I focused on the ocean for like 30 seconds, not really knowing what was going on.
So wave, Janessa. Hi. Aren't you so cute?
Yeah.
So all those people, go away. And where is it? It should just be down there, I guess. And all that stuff. It's kind of boring. Oh, there it is. It's pretty again.
I think it's like the third time probably.
I know. If the clouds weren't out, then it would be prettier, but this is Spouting Horn area, and there's normally chickens, but today it's really windy and kind of rainy, so there's no chickens, and I think I just went around that whole thing in like 3 seconds. So sorry about that if that's really fast. Exactly. And that guy right there in the black is really annoying me actually right now. I'm sorry. I need to be nicer to tourists, even though, yeah, whatever. It's probably going to get soaked. So, and there's a more bigger lookout, but there's all those people right there, so we're going to not go over there right now.
Let's go to the beach.
All right, time for the beach. Sweet. Wait, say bye, Janessa.
Bye.